Hi, it's Kimberly from Red Glasses Marketing, and today I am going to read to you my blog, How to Create Engaging Email Campaigns That Convert. If you've ever wondered how some businesses seem to effortlessly turn subscribers into paying customers, the secret often lies in email marketing campaigns that convert. Email remains one of the most powerful tools in your marketing arsenal, even in an age dominated by social media. In fact, email marketing is estimated to be 40% more effective than platforms like Facebook or X for connecting with an audience, building engagement, and driving conversions. For solopreneurs, mompreneurs, and women business owners juggling multiple roles, crafting emails that convert can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Let's walk through a step by step approach to building email campaigns that genuinely connect and inspire action. Why email marketing still works. Despite myths about email being dead, the numbers tell a different story. There are nearly 4.5 billion email users worldwide, projected to reach over 4.8 billion by 2027. Email provides a personal touch for your subscribers who have already opted in, meaning they're genuinely interested in your brand. If you subscribe to my weekly email, you will notice that my introductory section is very personal and not available on social media. With an average ROI of $36 for every dollar spent, email is both cost effective and scalable, which is a big win for early stage businesses looking to grow substantially. Email marketing is measurable, versatile, and direct. It allows you to engage with your audience, nurture leads, and ultimately convert them into loyal customers. The customer journey in an email campaign. High converting email campaigns are structured around your customer's journey. Typically, this journey includes 4 stages. 1. Awareness. Introduce your brand and let subscribers get to know you. 2. Consideration. Provide value with tutorials, case studies, or helpful resources. Step 3. Decision. Offer promotions, demos, or exclusive deals to encourage action. Step 4. Retention and advocacy. Support and delight existing customers with follow ups, resources, and loyalty perks. Knowing which stage your audience is in helps you craft emails that feel personal and relevant, making it more likely they will convert. 10 rules for crafting emails that convert. Here are 10 essentials to guide your strategy. 1. Set clear goals. Identify if you want more website traffic, sales, leads, or engagement. Goals shape the campaign. Step 2. Choose the right campaign type. Onboarding emails, promotions, re engagement, or nurture sequences all have different purposes. Step 3. Understand your audience. Segment based on demographics, behavior, or purchase history to ensure your emails are relevant. Step 4. Plan your email schedule. Consistency matters. Avoid over emailing, but don't disappear from inboxes either. I only email every week on Wednesdays, mornings to be exact. Step 5. Use automation. Automated sequences like welcome emails or follow ups ensure timely messages without extra effort. If you have a paid MailChimp account, you can auto send on a specific date to people who didn't open the first email. Auto resending to non openers is gold. Step 6. Craft attention grabbing subject lines. Short, compelling, and personalized subject lines improve open rates. Test and tweak for best results. Subjectline.com is one of my favorite tools. Step 7. Write engaging copy. Use a conversational tone. Focus on benefits, storytelling, and social proof to connect with your reader. Step 8. Name your email design. Nail your email design. Sorry about that. Clean layouts, branded colors, clear calls to actions, and mobile optimization make your emails easier to read and act on. Step 9, test and optimize. A/B testing subject lines, visuals, and calls to action helps refine campaigns, track open rates, click throughs, and conversions for insights. Step 10, build and maintain your email list. Grow organically with incentives like discounts, resources, or free worksheets, such as our What to Delegate First worksheet, which helps you prioritize what to keep, delegate, or eliminate from your plate. Engaged subscribers are more likely to convert. Segmentation and personalization. Segmenting your audience ensures the right people get the right message. Personalization goes one step further, tailoring emails based on names, past purchases, or behaviors. Together, segmentation and personalization boost engagement, satisfaction, and conversion rates, which makes your emails feel relevant rather than generic. Timing, frequency, and consistency. Even the best content can fail without proper timing. Test when your audience is more likely to check their emails. Mornings for professionals, evenings for busy moms, or weekends for lifestyle audiences. Keep a consistent schedule to build trust, but avoid overwhelming subscribers. Balance is key to encouraging engagement and conversions. Common pitfalls to avoid: buying email lists instead of growing organically, overloading subscribers with too many emails, ignoring mobile optimization, focusing on promotion without offering value. Avoiding these mistakes keeps your campaigns focused, professional, and more likely to convert. The role of design in conversions. A well-designed email guides the reader's attention and builds trust. Consider strong subject lines and pre-headers, clean, easy-to-read layouts, clear, prominent calls to action, and consistent branding. Visual appeal isn't just about aesthetics, it's a crucial tool for driving subscriber action. Bringing it all together. Creating emails that convert isn't magic. It's a combination of strategy, design, timing, and personalization. For busy business owners, implementing all of these tactics can feel overwhelming. By strategically delegating tasks, you can focus on your core business while ensuring your email campaigns are optimized for engagement and conversion. Tools like our What to Delegate First worksheet can help you decide what to handle personally and what to hand off to grow your business smarter. I almost said business partner. With the right approach, email marketing can become a reliable engine for connection, loyalty, and sales, helping your business grow without burning you out. My final thoughts. Email campaigns that convert are within your reach. By combining strategy, personalization, design, and thoughtful timing, you can build a system that nurtures subscribers, earns their trust, and encourages action. Remember, it's not just about sending emails, it's about creating meaningful connections with your audience. Start small, stay consistent, and embrace the process. Each email you send is a step toward building a thriving, engaging community that loves your brand. Engagement is what real conversion is all about. Make today amazing.